So what I'm gonna do here now, guys, is I'm gonna plaster the in-between the jeeps. So this is the jeeps. It's like plywood in the Philippines, but it's not really plywood. And this one here, the line here, I will gonna plaster it, and I will gonna show you how to do it. We were gonna do this because the jeeps moved each other, like it moves, and then when it moves, it cracks. The paint will gonna cracks if you will not gonna put something here. So what I'm gonna do is I will put a plaster, and then I will gonna put this paper here. This is not a scotch tape, guys. This is paper. This one here, like that. And then I'm gonna put a plaster on the top of it. So that if we were gonna paint this one, it will never crack. So I have seen a house before, and it was newly painted, and then I saw a crack. So I know that those guys who painted it cheated, so they didn't put something here. The same as here, I'm gonna put plaster here too, and there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this. So this is a plaster, guys. This is a plaster. There. Should have gloves. Should have like this. It's like a cement. Looks like cement, but it's water based, right? This is water based, guys. It will not stick, huh?
It's gyps.
Ah, is this gyps?
No.
Oh yeah.
The same as the board.
Oh yeah. So this one is the same as what's inside the gyps. The board is one. So the inside here is this one when it's dried. So we're gonna do like that. Like that. And then it's like that now. And then we're gonna put a little bit here. Are you done drinking coffee?
No.
Should be the Filmora here. Huh?
I don't need to.
What?
This is.
My boss is watching there. If I'm gonna doing it right. So the roll is like that. So this one here, the curved one, will be on top now. Where's the cutters? Are you? I'm changing job now. It's much better paid. I think so. Why are you looking there?
I don't know.
No, you should look here. I'm doing it right. Am I doing it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm master here now. Huh?
Here's the big one down there too.
Nice.
Yeah, just drag it over. There's no power there. It's cut out.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Didn't know.
not so much faster.
Why you cut it out?
Because it's not connected to anything, so then there's no point that you have the power there when it's open. Because that's where the old radiator was.
So the next is you should clean this one and then do like that. And then press it hard. Not at the top, but maybe there. So it will not drag it. Just to push the paper.
Oops, I need to do it evenly.
Yeah, stuff.